I'm Farhana.
Hi and hello everyone, I am Atika.
Hi, my name is Ahmed Zafri.
Hi everyone, I'm Shafinas.
Hi, my name is Rosmanita binti Wasid.
Hello and hi everyone. So for our today documentary, we will bring you to Lata, Kolam, Deru Ecopark. So let's go. Kat tempat ni kan, apa yang macam dia punya cabaran dia nak
Cabaran. Cabaran dia saya rasa pertama sekali kita nak bangunkan satu kawasan tu mengikut kita punya planning, tetapi kita kena sesuaikan dengan environment dia, persekitaran dia. Maksudnya kalau di hutan simpan ni kita kena ikut dia punya peraturan dan dari segi dia punya apa ni geografi kita kena follow lah. Maksudnya kita tak boleh nak buat kata sini kita nak buat bangunan tapi kawasan tu bukit-bukit tak boleh lah kan. Jadi maknanya kita kena sesuaikan. Yang keduanya cabarannya of course dari segi dana lah. Pasal ni persendirian ni duit sendiri lah. Maksudnya duit sendiri. Jadi dari segi fund tu memang banyak lah. Bila banyak tu maksudnya dari situ adalah kita punya limitation kita lah. That's why kita buat development tu daripada fasa 1, fasa 2, fasa 3. Kita tengok pada kesesuaian kita. Dan cabaran selepas kita buka adalah mentaliti pengunjung. Bila di kawasan kawasan pelancongan biasanya orang nak kebersihan kan, keselamatan, keselesaan. Tapi kita punya pengunjung punya mentaliti kita ni sebagaimana kita maklum lah, tak sampai ke tahap tinggi lagi lah. Maksudnya dari segi kebersihan tu dia orang tak jaga. Tapi dia nak benda tu kan. Dia nak benda tu bersih. Bila dia datang kalau kotor dia marah tak. Tapi dia sendiri kalau dia bawa masuk sampah dia tinggalkan sampah. Dan orang kata tak ada macam kesedaran, tak ada lah. Awareness tak ada lah untuk sama-sama kita menjaga kebersihan. Jadi cabaran kitanya sebagai pihak yang mengusulkan tempat ini, kita perlu memastikan kawasan ini kalau tidak teramat bersih pun, tapi dalam keadaan yang selesa dan bersih. Jadi
According to the owner of Lata, Kolam, Deru, Ecopark, Mr. Kaswari, his origin is in Kampung La Besut and he is still working at the Kuala Terengganu under Public Relations Department in Telecom Malaysia. He opened this resort by himself after leasing the land from state government for 25 years. This 8 hectares land was open to the locals since 2014 for them to enjoy the mother nature. At early development stage, after getting full permission from Forestry Department, they provide basic facilities such as main halls, or public toilets and rooms for rent. The resort was officially opened for the public in 2018 and there are 3 main sections. First is Pengkalan Suri, Pengkalan 2 and Pengkalan Raja, and each section has its own unit. For example, for Pengkalan Suri, it is suitable for camping site and the shallow part of water is suitable for the children to play in the water. The second part is Pengkalan 2. Pengkalan 2 is where the water sports activities occur. And the third part is Pengkalan Raja, is where we can see the beautiful waterfall. There are many interesting and challenging activities in Lata, Kolam, Deru, Ecopark. For example, flying fox, night walk, explorers, mountain bike riding, ATV ride, walking ball, and so on. And most popular activities are ATV ride, combat archery, and walking ball. Water rafting activity also part of the attraction, but it solely depends on the weather. According to Mr. Kaswari, since they opened the place officially, 150,000 visitors are recorded from March 2018 until September 2019. As per Mr. Kaswari, he had to face a few challenges when he wants to open the place. Firstly, the lack of funding when he wants to renovate the place. Secondly, the development plan must be synchronized with the rules and regulations of Terengganu Forestry Department. And thirdly, is the lack of awareness, cleanliness of nature, which mostly by the visitor.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I am Zafri bin Ahmad Termizi. Would like to interview Mr. Ruzani, the Sales and Marketing Manager of Lata Kolam Deru. Okay, Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay. Before I go further with the question about the Lata Kolam Deru, I would like to interview. I would like to ask about what is ATV stand for?
Okay, ATV stand for all-terrain vehicle.
All-terrain vehicle. Okay. And usually when the tourists come and do the ATV ride and mountain bike ride.
Okay, usually we are open for the public for ATV ride is from 8:30 a.m. until 6 p.m.
6 p.m.
And every day.
Every day.
Yes.
Okay. And what is the difference between each track?
Okay, we have 3 categories. We have fun ride, we have adventure ride, and we have extreme ride. Okay, the difference between these 3 rides is for example, fun ride. Fun ride is just a normal ride without a guide.
Okay.
And then adventure and extreme is with a guide.
Okay.
The difference in between adventure and extreme is the route. Is the route, the longer route. The adventure is 1.4 kilometer inside the terrain, And then for extreme is about 4 kilometers.
About 4 kilometers overall.
Yes, overall.
Okay. Okay. About Lata Kolam Air Deru, what is the specialty of ATV ride in Lata Kolam
Okay,
Air
the
Deru?
specialty between ATV in Lata Kolam and elsewhere is the terrain. The terrain we have, the terrain is for the extreme ride. The terrain is a bit adrenaline. It's a bit adrenaline and emotional. You will have an emotional and the adrenaline is there.
Oh,
That's the difference.
okay.
That's why our extreme ride is the most popular ride for our guests. It's the best selling package. Okay.
Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Weh, susah nak buat. Kelakon.
What do you feel about this ride?
Okay, so far we ride this ATV. We want to terbalik-terbalik. But it's okay.
We gonna ace it. Naik tu salah itu, naik ni salah ni. Temperature picture.
Hi everyone, I am Atika Farhana. So now our next destination is at Archery Combat. So now with me is Encik Shahrin. He will explain more about the Archery Combat. So yeah.
Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. Okay, sekarang kita berada di arena combat archery. Untuk future plan kita, ini adalah arena paintball. Okay, buat masa sekarang kita buat combat archery. Combat archery ni adalah permainan yang berbasickan memanah, tetapi kita upgrade dia kepada memanah tempur combat archery. Dan permainan ni memerlukan sekurang-kurangnya 4 orang player ataupun 5 orang player lah maksimum dia. Okey, untuk satu side lah. Untuk satu game dia memerlukan 10 orang ataupun 8 orang. Okey. Boleh tengok di belakang saya ni, ini adalah bow yang kita gunakan untuk permainan combat archery ni. Biasanya bow ni boleh je guna bow apa pun, tapi kita punya ni paling basic bow untuk kita panggil dia bow rekreasi lah. Kekuatan dia dalam 15 pound kalau tak silap saya lah. Okey, dan ini adalah arrow, soft arrow, kita panggil soft arrow. Depan dia ni adalah span untuk keselamatan kita, sebab kalau kita guna arrow yang tajam tu mungkin kita akan cedera lah. Untuk soft arrow ni dia lebih safety, mana kita kena pun tak sakit sangat. Okey. Rule permainan dia ni adalah setiap side dia memerlukan 4 orang ataupun 5 player. Dia ada sekarang, boleh tengok sebelah saya ni, sebelah kiri saya ada satu side, dan ini adalah sepadan side dia, dan sebelah kanan ni ada satu side, ni adalah sepadan dia. Okey. Rule untuk permainan ni, kita mesti menembak tim lawan kita. Bila dia terkena arrow ni, dia mesti keluar lah, mesti out, ataupun dia mesti jatuhkan ketiga-tiga target ni, dan bila ketiga-tiga target ni jatuh, dia dikira menang. Okey, tapi kalau ada team member kita yang kena shoot, tapi kita jatuhkan satu ataupun 2, team member kita yang mati tadi, dia boleh revive balik lah. Okay.
Hi, so in regards of what Encik Shahrin told us just now, this archery combat is actually just the same like paintball game. So it consists of 8 to 10 members, 4 or 5 members per session. I mean like one side 4 members and another side is 4 members. So it has it borderlines which the players cannot exceed that borderline. So the bow has a sponge at the back on purpose of safety precaution. Okay, the sponge helps to avoid the players from get injured or hurt, so that the safety of the players are guaranteed. So that's it. Let's play.
Okay, so right now we are going to try walking ball. Tengok sikit. Ni bukan Google Map. Oh, okay. Okay, so Rose and Atika gonna be in that ball for about 10 minutes. And walking.
Okay, that's all for now. According to the feedback that I get from the two kids, they said they also came to the place for the first time and they very enjoy the activity, all the activity that they have done with their family, and they wish to come back again for another experience. So guys, what are you waiting for? Come here and enjoy the place.
So my name is Lata, and this is the first site of this Ecopark, and this place was the camping site. As you can see, where they rest here, they set the tent here, and this is the place where they stay at night for several days. So this is the view of the river, and as you can see, this place is very clean because they always clean this place. They take care of the hygiene here. They provide a lot of trash bin here, so it is comfortable for you guys to stay here.
My name is Shafinas, and here with me Puan Rosnaliza. Okey Puan, saya nak tanya Puan dah berapa kali datang sini? Pertama kali. Ni dari mana? Puan dari mana? Oh, jauh. Okey, ni datang dengan anak-anak. Okey Puan, setakat Puan baru sampai sini sekali. Puan rasa macam mana dia punya suasana dia dengan fasiliti dia? Terima kasih. According to Puan Rosnaliza feedback, she said that this was her first time here, and the service provider by the staff and the nature, it was all excellent. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, I would like to conclude that ecotourism is the best form of tourism, and every traveler should be part of. Stay in the eco-friendly lodge, enjoy the eco-friendly activities, support the local livelihood, and also conserve the nature environment. All of this you can explore in Deru Ecopark. It's not just give you the joyful memories, but also give the awareness to us to take care of our nature. It is our responsibilities to minimizing the negative impact to our environment. Thank you. Of our documentary. So I hope you guys have the opportunity to come to Lata Kolam Deru with your friends and your family and having fun here.
Thanks for watching.
That's all from us.
Thank you.
Bye.